Start with a slip knot and chain 34, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. This measures around 8 inches. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. And now we'll make the Trinity stitch. To start off, insert your hook into the same stitch as the single crochet, this one, and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, insert your hook into the next stitch, this one, and pull up a loop, 3 loops, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, total 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. To make the chain 1, just pull up this loop a bit and then make the chain 1. This will help to keep the stitches loose for the next round. Now the next stitch will start off in the same stitch as we have finished this one. Insert a hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop, 2 loops, insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, 3 loops, insert a hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. And to make the chain 1, just pull up this loop a bit and chain 1. This is how it will look. Now repeat this until the end. Start off by inserting the hook into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all and chain 1. To finish off, make the last Trinity stitch. Four loops on the hook, pull through all. To finish off here, don't make the chain 1. Instead, make a single crochet into the same stitch. That is the last stitch. Make a single crochet over here, chain 1 and turn your work. One single crochet in the first stitch. And we'll start off with the Trinity stitch. Insert a hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop, 2 loops, insert a hook into the next stitch, 3 loops, and this is the last stitch. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all and chain 1. And while making the chain 1, just pull up this loop a bit. Now repeat this. Insert a hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop, next stitch, next stitch, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all and chain 1. Now repeat this until the end. Make the last set of stitch, 4 loops, pull through all, and here do not chain 1, just make one single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until it's square in shape. One single crochet in the first stitch. Now we'll make the Trinity stitch. Insert it into the same stitch, next stitch, and the next stitch. This is how the stitches will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.